Hey guys, this is a 2020 Midwest Passage 144, 19 foot on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. You got the all-terrain wheels and tires, front spoiler on the front, automatic awning on the outside to cover your sliding door. If you want to go ahead and go on inside, I'll show you a few things on inside there. As you can see back here, you got a power sofa. It's going to lay down to make a bed. You got a JL audio system for the back, TV, DVD player. You have solar panels on top of the roof, convection microwave, small fridge, all-in-one bathroom. Guys, this unit is perfect to get in and out of town. It's only 19 foot. You can go into restaurants, park, no problem. Don't forget, guys, to jump on the Zoom chat. If you have any questions, we'll be here to help you.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.